In this video, we are going to show how to use saved configurations in the WatchGas device link app. Start by using your password to log in and then press the saved configurations option in the main menu. Then press the plus icon in the top right of the screen. Select the desired device type. Here you can see all of the configurable options of the device. To start with, you can give the template a name in file function so that you can easily find it again after saving. Select the sensors you want to add to this template and set the alarm settings in advance. Click on Save to save all settings. You can now immediately use this configuration to set up your devices. To do this, turn on the NFC on your device and tap it with the WatchGas device link app to load in the new settings. When you return to the previous screen, you will see your saved configuration file. You can also use configuration files for compliance checks. To do this, turn on the Use for Compliance option under File function. When you use a configuration that has the compliance check turned on, you will see that the star next to it is coloured. If you enable this, the WatchGas device link app will use these settings as a reference when scanning the unit with the device link. If the settings do not match, you will receive a non-compliant message and you will then have the option to adopt these settings.